Hey guys, welcome to a new video. 39 Dushan here. Like I promised, one of my previous video. This video I'm gonna do some gold-plated copper plates. So especially one plate. This is just one piece of the plate. It's been already damaged, so I already cut that in the nice shrapnel. And like I said, the flea market is a very interesting and good source for gold-plated items. Sometimes you can buy very cheap something which contain very decent amount of gold, and sometimes it's just a low amount of gold. But if you buy that cheap, if you not pay too much, everything is worth. I mostly buy that for a purpose of these videos, but I love to do different stuff, not only e-waste. So this is one round metallic plates, about 17-18 centimeter in the round, and if you see, this is a down part of the plate and still contain gold plating. And this is front part, and you see on the bottom here we got exposed copper. See in the holes still gold plating, but here you have a visible copper, but on the end still contain very good gold plating. I already tested that with nitric acid, so it's not very good. It's not a thick gold plating, it's just similar to Enig. You see, when I drop nitric acid, just go through that gold plating and expose copper. Nitric acid leave small gold particles, but not full foil. So I don't expect too much from it, but at least from all that I expect 0.2 gram of gold. We will see. Maybe if I luck I get more, because the end of the plates still contain very good quality of the plating. Okay, so I cut that in the shrapnel because it's much easier to work when it's this shape. Here in this beaker I use like electrolyte. I use 96% sulfuric acid. This is a pure acid, a new one. Here I got one car battery, 75 amps. So on the minus I got one lead, one part of the lead, you see that, and this is B minus, and I got on the plus I have some clamps here, so you see that on the plus, and here on the side I got one big jar with the water. So when I remove all the gold from that shrapnel, I will just drop that in the jar with water. Okay. Two stuff you need for this video. You need the glasses, protect your eyes, and you need the gloves to protect your hand, because the pure sulfuric acid is pretty much dangerous. If go on your skin, it will burn your skin and leave a nasty scar. If go to your eyes, probably will damage your eyes. So use gloves, use glasses. Okay, so let's repeat: jar with water, beaker with the sulfuric acid, lead on the minus, clamps on the plus, car battery, and of course our gold-plated item. When I remove all that, I just drop that copper. It's nice solid copper. I just drop that copper in my Stockpot. Okay, that's meant my gold from waste solution. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so like you see, without quitting a video, I finish all the process, and right now here in the jar I got only copper. You see that? It's a copper plate but without gold. I'm gonna clean that with a toothbrush and leave that water to settle down. Here in this beaker, all that black stuff is it's actually a gold. The solution is not too hot because the process is not take very long, because the amount of gold on the plate. We're gonna take this lead and put that together with that copper to clean that gold on the lead. And what you can do with this solution, because this solution is not saturated, still have a place to absorb some gold particles, so you can reuse that. You can leave that on the side, and if you have a more gold plated item, you can reuse that. This is the one way. The second way, you can just leave that for a day or two to settle down, decant the clean solution and reuse that sulfuric acid again, and process that slug. So you can reuse that sulfuric acid a couple of times. Or you can just, if you have access to a lot of sulfuric acid, you can just pour that slowly into water. Be careful, because you can expect a very nasty isothermic reaction. You can pour that solution in water, stir that, and leave that to settle down all that gold slug, okay? I remove that lid, see that? I'm gonna clean that gold. See the gold slug on this side? So I'm gonna clean that, leave that settle down, and I'm gonna clean that and remove that copper. I will not wait till that settle down to reuse that acid. I'm gonna just remove that copper. I'm gonna pour that solution in this water and leave that to settle down, so I can treat that gold slug with this time I will use acid and bleach, okay? So let's pour that. Okay guys, so I transferred that solution with water, the sulfuric acid with water, in the smaller basket because I want to make sediment very concentrate on the smaller surface. And I'm gonna leave that, I'm gonna cover that, I'm gonna leave that to settle down for a couple of hours. Then I will decant that, I dispose sulfuric acid, and I will treat sediment with the acid and bleach. And I wash that plate parts, so like you see, it's only copper now. On this side too, maybe somewhere stay a small piece, small amount of gold, but it's not too much. And this is the reason why I use that for my stockpot. So mostly in my stockpot I add this kind of copper after I do some gold recovery with a reverse electroplating. Some small microscopic amount of gold always stay on that item, and I add that stockpot. I cement my old waste solution and I'm going to reuse that copper again. Okay, leave that to settle down and I will be back later. Okay guys, so this is my Stockpot bucket, and for my spring cleaning I already processed all my stock pots. I left only one with platinum and palladium solutions, and this is my new stock pot. And if you see, I already start to cement some new solutions, and I use some waste copper from a heatsink with a gold layer, and here I will add this copper from the plate. So this is the right use for that copper. They will collect in a stock pot all the gold remaining, missed gold from old solutions, okay? Okay guys, so after a couple of hours I got settled down the solution. It's cold, okay? So what I'm gonna do some decantation with a hose, and I'm gonna filter sediment to collect that in the beaker, okay? Okay, so I decant solution, and this is my sediment. See that? All that is not too black, it's a gray slug. It's not too many, but it's look very pure, very high purity. So who knows, maybe I got lucky and got more than a 0.1, 0.2 gram. We will see after I filter that and process with acid and bleach. And this is my clean solution. Okay, important step is a slowly filtration. You want to have a pure solution on the end, so everything needs to stay here in the funnel. See all that particle on the top? It's a gold particle, okay? I use a cotton charming plug on this case, like this. Okay guys, so after 24 hours, solution is settled down. Let's see the result, and yeah, result is a very pure gold. Solution is pure, so the gold is pure too. Still not settle everything. Turn off light. It's much better see when the light is turned off. Yeah, you see that? Very quality gold. It's not too much probably, but amount I even expected that for sure. Let's try something. Yeah, start the one. See there? Very nice. Very nice. So probably I expect more than 0.2 gram. So 0.3, maybe even more. I will see. Okay, I managed to collect. Yeah, I managed to collect that in one part of the beaker, and you see that it's actually, when everything go together, is not too much gold, but at least here I have 0.2, 0.3 gram, maybe a little more. Okay, so I will leave that for just maybe hour or two more, and I will decant that, filter that, dry that. Okay guys, so I decant solution and wash my gold a couple of times with water, leave that to settle down again and again, and I dry that gold in this beaker. So you see right now on the end it's not too much gold, it's thick. It's very nice purity, nice color, but it's thick on the glass, so it's very small particles. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a plastic spoon and I'm gonna scratch that from the glass, put that on the scale to see how much gold we got. In this video I will skip melting step because amount is not too big. I don't want to get one small microscopic bead, so I will just scratch that and put that on the scale to see how much gold we have. Okay, so I scratch that. You see here on the glass I still have some gold, but I will take back that when I dissolve some other gold in this beaker. And see that powder is not too much, but it's very fine and heavy. Okay, let's put that on the scale. Scale on the 0, and let's go. Yeah, you see that? 0.2 gram. Yeah, 0.2 gram total gold amount from that one gold plated copper plate. Okay, so I still have some small amount here. I will collect that, but here we have 0.2 gram of gold. Okay, So guys, I hope you like this video. I will leave that gold and I will melt that gold together with some other gold in the future, but for now I'm gonna just leave that. Okay guys, so this is enough for today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button, share, like, comment, and I will see you soon in the next video with some other items, some other process. I love to go a little farther than only e-waste. I like to find gold on different places, and one of these places, like I said on the beginning of this video, it's actually a flea market. You can on the flea market you can find a lot of stuff. Sometimes it's a good gold plating, sometimes it's bad, but everything is good. It depends how much you pay for that. Okay, so guys, once again, save scrap, have fun, make gold, and I will see you soon. Friend Cheers mates.